In this video, I'll show you how to use the Salesforce CRM Data Loader step by step. To begin, navigate to salesforce.com and make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account. Next, go to the area where you want to import your data, such as leads, opportunities, contacts, or any other supported object. The process is generally the same regardless of the data type you're working with. Once you're there, click on Import. You'll be given options to import, update, or export data. Choose the option you need and then click Next. You'll now be redirected to the Data Import wizard. Here, select the type of data you want to load, such as accounts and contacts, leads, or campaigns. Then choose Add New Records to continue. Next, upload your CSV file and click Next. Salesforce will display the data from your imported CSV file. Carefully review the information to make sure everything looks correct, and then click Next. After verifying the data, click Start Import to begin the process. Your import will now start. Depending on the size of your CSV file and the amount of data being processed, this may take some time to complete. And that's how you can use the Salesforce CRM Data Loader to import your data efficiently.